Presenting.
Athletes in the 100 meters, women under 20. In lane 1, 099, Ria Ashley Abalyar, City of Pasig.
In lane 2, 182 Ashley Nasel Tabar, University of Santo Tomas.
In lane 3, 177, Mylene Pamisaran, University of Santo Tomas.
In lane 4, 209 Mariel Denise Avenida, New Zealand.
In lane 5, 011, Orbilia Octava, Kode Nyatao, Surawak, Sukma, Malaysia.
In lane 6, 218 Frislin Shane Santiago, St. Michael's College, Laguna, Binyan.
In lane 7, 178, Liza Lorraine Pangilinan, University of Santo Tomas.
And in lane 8051, Jubel Alexa Matnog, Bohol Province Track and Field Team.
Ladies
Sep.
and gentlemen, your finalists in the 100 meters,
Sep.
women
Doon kayo.
under 20.
Doon kayo.
Let's go, Bohol!
Gagol lang. Oh, Malaysia! Lock.
U20 yan.